Hey everybody, what's up? This is Salar, and today you are going to learn the use of ToString method in C Sharp. I will be using Windows Home application, just to remind you. And I won't discuss the overriding of ToString method because overriding is an advanced topic. This tutorial is for beginners to understand the basic use of ToString method, right? Are you ready? So let's begin the show. So TrueString is a method which is used to convert the other .NET types to their string representation. For example, when you apply the TrueString to the integer type, you get the string representation of that type. Similarly, when you apply the TrueString to the floating point, you get the string equivalent of that type. The same way, if you apply the TrueString to the date and time object, you get the string equivalent of the object. Now the question is, why do we apply TrueString to convert the other .NET types to string? And the answer is string is suitable for display. So our applications display string type data, right? So if you have your data in different format, in different types, and you want to display it, then you need to convert it to string type. And for that, you need to invoke the toString method on your data. Let's now see some very practical use of toString method in C Sharp. I'm using this simple application with a label to display the different sort of data, right? So let's get inside the code now. Let's suppose you are working with the integer type and adding two numbers. Now, after the addition, you want to display your result here in this label. This label control displays only the string type, and the result we want to publish is integer type, right? So when I send my result for display, I will convert it to string so that it can be displayed, it can be accepted. And how do I do that? I will write the name of my label, the text property is equal to, and then the name of the variable, and to that variable I will invoke the toString method like this, right? So this integer type is converted to its string equivalent and sent to the label. Let's now run the program and check it out. Now press the button, and here we have the result in string form, right? And here we can do a variation. If you don't need to save your result, then you can process and publish it at the same time, like this, right? And so now we don't need this line of code, right? So this can also be done. Let's now take another example. Let's suppose you're working with date time object, and you want to show the current date and time again in the label control that we have on the form. So now you need to call the toString method again because now is a date type object. It's not a string. So to the now variable, we call toString, and now it's good. Let's run the program. So press the button, and here we have the current date and time, right? The same you will do with other types like character, boolean, floating point, object, and enum. When your data is ready for display, just invoke the toString method on it. That's it. Now, this toString method has another very interesting feature. According to the C Sharp specification, you can use all the numeric format flags together with the toString method. For example, you can use the currency flag, or you can use decimal format specifier. You can use fixed point specifier, right? I will put link in the description, and you can visit this site and read by yourself. But here I can show you the use of a couple of important format specifiers. Let's say you're working with currency or price or something like this, and you have a t-shirt price equal to 100. right? So when I display the price, I can pass the currency specifier to the ToString method. So as I'm in Sweden and my computer locale is set to Swedish, so I will get the uh, krona marker with the price. So let's run the program and check it out. Now press the button and you will see the price is displayed in Swedish currency, right? So if you are in US, you won't see the Swedish krona sign. You will see the dollar sign instead, right? Now, another very useful format specifier is fixed point, which is used to select the desired number of decimal places. Let's say in your program you have a calculation like this. The result of this calculation has precision up to 14 digits. Let me show you first. So here you see the precision, almost 14 digits after the decimal point. We don't want such precision all the time, so we can use the format specifier, fixed point, and we would say we want only 2 digits after the decimal point, right? So that means I'm using the fixed point specifier, and 2 means 2 digits after that decimal point. Let's now run the program. And now you see the difference, right? So friends, that was an explanation on TrueString method. And I hope this explanation is going to help you out. I will see you around in some other tutorial. Thanks for watching.